So it tests all kinds of colors, scenes, scenarios, like you would see. Okay, so we have an average frames per second is 67.9. We have a score of 1700, which is just insane. Everyone, today we are reviewing this mini powerful PC. So we're getting it loaded up right now on our monitor, but we can go over a couple features here. So you have a couple ports on the front, breathable box on the sides. If we take a look on the back here, we can see you have an Ethernet cable port, Type-C port, power port, HDMI port. You got two more USB ports, DisplayPort as well. So I like this. It's perfect size. So we're going to go through the settings now. So we got our setup here. It doesn't look pretty, but we got the computer on, and we're going to do something called Heaven Benchmark. And this is basically going to see how good the computer can perform right out of the box without any editing. So that's what we're going to do. Connecting a mouse, keyboard, everything worked perfect. No issues whatsoever. Putting a USB drive in, as you guys can see, worked perfect. No issues whatsoever. So right now we're just installing an application. I mean, the computer's working perfect. Like, there's no issues at all with connections or anything. Yeah, so we're just going through, and now gonna go through here. So Heaven Benchmark, what that does, it basically tests out the power of your computer. So we're gonna select DirectX 11. We're gonna set quality for high, and we're gonna go full screen, and we're gonna run and see, you know, what frames per second we get and how it handles. Sometimes computers, mini PCs crash doing just what we're doing right now. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, so far it's actually 59 frames per second holding out. So let's go ahead and we're going to click this, and here we go. Now it's officially starting. So it'll tell us our average frames per second. It'll tell us, tell us all we need to know about this mini PC, if it is a decent PC or not, for being a mini PC. And so far, like 60 frames, it's holding 87 frames right now. Like, it's actually performing better than I expected. I would expect an average of 35, 40, maybe 45 frames per second. I think we're going to average much higher, which is very impressive for a mini PC. So I have it covered. Just, you know, yeah, I'm kind of shocked. Like, I've had mini PCs similar to this one crash at this point. Like lag, glitching, like really crash. And it's performing very well. So there's 26 scenes. I'm not going to make you guys watch them all. So far, the lowest frames we've had was 40, the highest 91. So I'm going to wait till close to the end and show you guys. So we're just continuing. This is where some of the higher end ones have crashed before, so I wanted to record this live. So it's not crashing. It did drop for a split second to 8 frames per second, but we also are hitting a maximum of 157, which is insane. I've had gaming PCs not even perform this good. So right out of the box with no editing, no power settings change, no testing out for overclocking or playing with it. This is just right out of the box. We're at 22 scenes out of 26, so we're almost near the end. I can safely say so far this PC is fantastic. Like, definitely probably performing in the top 5 mini PCs that I've reviewed in the last probably 2-3 years, and we've done quite a few. So 2 more scenes, I believe, and then we'll get our final score. But as of now, it's impressive. So you could end this video now and know that it's an amazing PC. And this is what people should be doing when they're testing PCs, is benchmarking. Benchmarking tells you how good it actually is. And here we go. We're going to hit the final one. So it tests all kinds of colors, scenes, scenarios, like you would see. Okay. So we have an average frames per second is 67.9. We have a score of 1700, which is just insane. I've had full desktop PCs not even get 1700. We had a minimum frames of 8.6 and a maximum of 157, but keep in mind the average was above 60. And it goes over and shows all the, like, the CPU, shows the graphics and all the settings. So I would safely say this, you could game on it, you can have editing softwares, you can do a lot of different things with this. I'm actually impressed. Definitely top 5 that I've ever reviewed. I would have to go back and look at footage just to see, but it could be in the top 3. Very impressed with this. This is all you need to know if it's a good PC or not, and it's a fantastic mini PC. I mean, fantastic.